Okay, so the problem statement that I kind of touched on is that it's difficult for the DoD to keep pace when we have adversaries that are willing to engage in, IP theft. They're willing to take everything that we spend years and years developing, and they can go out and replicate that to a pretty high degree. And so we're also dealing with enemies that would get crushed if we go toe to toe, tank to tank or plane to plane. But when we're fighting bit to bit, see what I did there? We're not necessarily able to keep up based on that old system. And so the idea was that we needed to iterate past where we were and get in line more with industry best practices. And on top of all that, with the fiscal restraints and everything that's going on in the world over the last 10 years or so, DoD was asked to do more with less, and to have it done yesterday. And so it's a very difficult learning curve to deal with. And so what came out of that was the DoD Enterprise DevSecOps Initiative, aka software factories. And so the intent of the initiative, and I'm not saying that all this was met, but the intent was, as you see here, to increase our competitive advantage globally by delivering apps rapidly and securely, being able to reduce our authority to operate timelines by having inherited controls, those NIST controls for cybersecurity between different applications, between platforms, and then also to be able to access a variety of environments to include, across the enterprise, but also cloud, disconnected, intermittent classified environments, also known as like DDIL, which we're working in currently. So that was all the intent of software factories.